Hello everyone and welcome to our project presentation for CollegeX. My name is Eric Corneau and I am the project lead at Digital Wellness. This presentation will outline a problem that CollegeX has been facing due to the recent shift to remote learning, as well as our solution to that problem. We will endeavor to explain all of the features of our project and the ways in which it will solve this important issue. We will also discuss our projected timeline and budget, as well as take a brief look at some of our competitors and explain what we can do to stand out while providing the best quality deliverable to CollegeX. But first, let me introduce you to our team here at Digital Wellness. Our members include Kevin Hong, our lead web developer, Rashid Latif, our web design specialist, Duyan Pham, our mental health advisor, and Noza Faiziva, our web copy editor. As stated previously, my name is Eric Corneau, and as the project lead, I will be in charge of guiding our team towards our goal. I'll be ensuring that all of our deliverables are being met on time as per our schedule, and I will also be ensuring that our team is staying on track with regards to our internal targets. I'll be responsible for keeping our team motivated and productive over the course of this project, and I'm looking forward to cultivating and maintaining a positive work environment for all of our team members. I will now pass it on to Kevin.
Thanks, Eric. Well, my name is Kevin, and I am the lead web developer for this project. I am in charge of leading and overseeing the developmental efforts, as well as reviewing the needs and goals of our client to create a user-friendly environment with unique experiences. I will be working alongside the web design specialist for this project, who will now introduce himself.
Thank you, Kevin. I'm the web design specialist, Rashid Latif, and will be the group's web design specialist at Digital Wellness Incorporations. I will be responsible for the newly upgraded look, design, layout, and features of our newly upgraded website, and I'll now pass it off to the mental health advisor, Duyan.
Hi, my name is Duyan Pham, and I'm the mental health advisor at Digital Wellness. And my role will be ensuring that the content pertaining to mental health advisor and practice the medical accurate. And I will in charge of gathering data relevant to mental health and sourcing content for us to provide on web page. I will include my phone number on the web page as well in order to allow the confidential one-on-one call with any student are facing difficulty. And we will also provide a text-based anonymous question section that I will moderate in order to answering things that students or faculty feel and feel comfortable bringing up in the main forum area. And I aim to ensuring that response will be provided in the reasonable prompt manner. And I will pass to the Nora web copy editor.
Thank you, DM. Hi everyone, my name is Noza and I'm the web copy editor at Digital Wellness. I'm solely responsible for the written content and the editorial quality of the finished site. I'll create the editorial tone for the website, define the style guidelines, and will assemble, organize, and deliver the finished copy to the rest of the production team. Since my job is to create the written textual content for the web page, I will be in charge of interviewing subject matter experts regarding content creation. I will also be responsible for creating news postings and updating content for the future of the web page. And I'll now pass it on Kevin, and he will talk about the problem that CollegeX covers.
Noza. The COVID-19 pandemic has created the largest disruption in education systems in history that affects millions of students and faculty worldwide. The pandemic has forced massive changes in the overall learning structure and experience, as schools do not simply have enough time to properly adapt to the current changes. Remote and online learning are the only current methods for students to continue their education. Switching to online has drastically changed how students are currently learning. The students and faculty at CollegeX are some of the millions that are affected and suffering from the switch, as CollegeX is worried about the decrease in morale among their students. Furthermore, the overall mental wellness of the students is a growing concern, as CollegeX students are not able to access certain resources to ensure their success. There have been concerns regarding the dynamic between students and faculty, mainly revolving around challenges that students are facing in this current situation. CollegeX has contracted Digital Wellness to come up with a solution to raise morale among their students. The purpose of our project is to build a tool that for the faculty to assist them in engaging with the students to fully understand what they need to be successful in the drastically different learning environment. I will now pass off to Rashid, who will now talk about our solution.
Thank you, Kevin. So for every problem, we try to come up with the best solution possible. Our first solution was to provide an online forum for students where they can discuss the issues and concerns that they encounter doing online school or any other issues and concerns that they have. We also have an online peer-to-peer counseling services section where peers can go get counseling whenever they want because we want students to have their mental health at all-time high so they can achieve their goals. So we also included mental health advisors available to speak with students worldwide, which Duyan will further explain in the next slides as well. And we also added simple and effective options available to get to learning materials faster because throughout our college experience, we've noticed that a lot of students have been referring to Google and other resources to get to learning materials faster because using the online school website just kind of takes too long and brings up non-concerning information. So there's also an online teachers and tutors available during school hours. So let's say you finish class and you kind of needed some more help, you needed to study for a midterm. We have teachers and tutors who will be available online to help you to make you as successful as possible. We also have an open community discussion where teachers and students can openly discuss their issues and concerns and possibly have answers for them as well. And I will now pass it off to Duyan where she can talk about the timeline for our project.
For the timeline, the project will start on October 1st. Then we will collect the database and develop the forum. On October 13 to November 25, Kevin and Rasis worked together to design and manage the forum. And on the November 28th, the forum inspection and tests were done, and we were ready to launch the new web page for College X students on the December 1st. Now I will estimate the budget with Nora.
Our goal is to keep the budget minimal without compromising on the quality of our project. While ensuring that every feature is implemented correctly, we will keep costs low by limiting our staff to only 5 members and dispersing tasks among ourselves rather than subcontracting out to other specialty companies. We made sure to keep our scope within a reasonable limit in order to avoid scope creep and not to overestimate the requirements needed for this project. We also made sure to include the costs associated with the post-release support and maintenance activities as well. Our project will be completed with a total cost of only $8,025.83, which remains remarkably competitive considering the breadth of the web page. And I will now pass it off to Eric.
Two of our main competitors within the mental health software industry are Calm and Headspace. These are both meditation-focused apps with an emphasis on positive mental well-being. Calm is an up-and-coming software company based out of California. It was launched in April of 2012, and its company focus is on providing meditation apps and services online. Calm was the top meditation app of 2019 when it comes to number of downloads and revenue. According to its industry report, Calm has earned over $150 million in revenue in 2019, which is up from $80 million in 2018. That's an approximate increase of 87.5% in just 1 year. Its valuation has jumped from $250 million in 2018 all the way up to $1 billion in 2019, which makes it the first unicorn meditation startup company. It's expected to increase even more in 2020 due to the mental health impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic as well. The company has also doubled its paid subscriber count from around 1 million members in 2018 to well over 2 million members in 2019. It surpassed its main competitor Headspace in revenue as of 2018 and is on track to become the top grossing iOS app in the mental health and wellness category. Headspace, on the other hand, was founded in 2010 in London, England. It earned over $100 million in 2019 with a similar paid subscriber base of 2 million members. Despite these similarities, its valuation as of 2019 only sits at $100 million as opposed to the $1 billion of Calm. Due to the financial success of our competitors and the positive reception of the general public to these sorts of apps and websites, it's evident that our project will see similar usefulness after a successful implementation and launch.
Hey guys, this concludes our presentation. I want to thank our audience for taking the time to listen to us. Hopefully, we're able to keep in touch. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact us via email and I'll try our best to reach back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you all and have a wonderful day.